Time in the energy, the commodities sector. Joining us now from the CME to discuss further, Alan Nuckman, Chief Market Strategist at Bullseye Option. Alan, just checking out orange juice futures trading lower today. Does that tell us that the hit on the citrus crop isn't or might not be as bad as many had feared?
Well, the price shock potential was built in before the event. Obviously, there's a bit of relief, just like we're seeing relief in other markets as well, that there wasn't as much damage. But that's the way I evaluate here, is the price has unwound a bit. They priced in the worst, and it didn't happen.
Yeah, and what about the oil market? Because oil's rising, Irma weakening, Gulf Coast refining continuing to recover following Storm Harvey. Goldman Sachs today, interestingly, Alan, said that Harvey remains a bigger concern for the oil market, not Irma, it's Harvey. Do we still have Harvey concerns?
Yeah, because so much of the infrastructure in our oil market is down in that Houston area. It's the petrochemicals, it's the refining and so forth. So you can see that some of the capacity came back online as far as refining last week. That's very much a positive. That's given oil a little bit of an unwind here. But for me, it's just really between the $47 price and the $50 price. I have to let the market tell me where it wants to go next. We dipped down below 47 for 3 days in the last 30. But other than that, we've been trading sideways. And last week, we had a series of lower highs when we got up to 40. It looked like it was going to try and take out that $50 level, unable to do so. Keep an eye still on the dollar. A dollar decline down to support at 90. That hasn't happened since the end of 2014. And at that time, crude oil was about $55 or $58 a barrel. So that could be the next little catalyst and kick above 50 for crude.
Alan, I'm looking at the spread between WTI and Brent crude. The premium right now is $5.64 to November WTI. How wide does that get?
Right. Yeah, you know, spreads are relative, and oftentimes they're going to spring back. So we'll have to wait and see. But I'm still rather optimistic on the oil market. You know, we did have that push, like I said, below 47, but it was a failed breakdown, and it snapped right back. We haven't been on above 50 since August 10th, so I guess that's 1 month ago. But I'm looking for another upside push. I still believe in the bull market.
Yeah, and what's your favourite asset right now, Alan? Where are you putting all your effort and your resources?
Well, I still think the focus is on the stock market, and here we trade E-mini futures, obviously. I think the NDX still has more upside potential and a nice little snapback. You got to remember, it was only a week ago Friday that we made all-time forever highs in the NDX, and Apple's got a big announcement tomorrow. It's not just the Apple announcement people are paying attention to. We also have the USDA crop report, so that's big news here for the guys over my shoulder. We'll see what that does to corn and beans. They've gone straight down since July 4th, but finally did bottom out, and let's see if the worst is over there.
I'm just looking at Apple's market cap. It's not too far away from a trillion, 836 billion. Alan. Give me the trillion. When does trillion happen, Alan?
It happens when we get to 195. So when that happened, you didn't ask me that question. That's really the question. 195 is not that far away. It's about 7% away, and we're up 35% so far this year. So it could happen in 2017.
Alan, great to chat with you, and we look forward to the big Apple announcement tomorrow. Alan Nuckman there from Bullseye Option Body.
Thanks, Mark.
Great stuff, guys.